For today, on the agenda for today, carbon fiber hood. I like to bring it out to this table. Got my little boy right there, and gonna wet sand it in the sun so that way I can kind of see where it needs a little bit more work. Probably just go at it for like 20 minutes and then go inside, take a break, and come back when he takes a nap or something like that. It's pretty hot. It's gonna probably be like 95, 100 today, but right now it's still early morning. It's still like 9:30, so it's like already 80 degrees. Haven't got this area. I got pretty much just the middle right area. You can still hear that texture where it's like you can hear it smooth right here. That's good. All the clear is gone right there. Right here. You can hear it. Alright, I'm about a third or halfway done getting this clear coat off. You can see it's really coming back to life. You know, or not back, well, yeah, semi, after I'm getting this clear coat off. Just look at that. It's gonna look good. Looking for like those patch areas, if you can see it. Yeah, so that's just working my way and then kind of just keep edging it till I keep getting more of it gone. See, I got half of that gone right there. It's just a lot to go. Get all those clear coat patches. Still a lot over here, but probably about 2/3 of it gotten already. And actually, I go 220 to get like the clear coat on there was thick. And it was just like a lot of work. I was trying 400 and it wasn't really doing much. 220 is going good. I'm not going too hard, too abrasive, too much pressure. So then after I get all that clear coat off, I'm gonna go with the probably 600, 800. I'm gonna work my way up to like 12 or 1500 to really smooth it out. And then after that, I'll just clean it up and it'll be ready for the clear coat. Hey guys, it's later in the day. It's 4th of July. It's like about 10:30, 11, 4th of July. Just trying to give it another crack at this hood and trying to get a little bit more of this clear coat done. It's kind of hard to really focus on it when I gotta watch the kids, so I try to sneak some of this work in when the baby's taking his nap. But yeah, I'm trying to get some of this done. All right, I am at 800 grit right now. It's starting to really smooth out right now. I think once I get to 1,000, 1,200, it should really smooth out. But I'm probably gonna go as far as probably 1,500 if need be. Still at it. Still at it. I'm on that 1,000 grit right now. Man, this job is not for lazy people or for the faint of heart. Man, you gotta put some elbow grease into this. But man, it's coming along. But man, it's a lot of work, not gonna lie. Bruh, just got done with the 1,200 right now. Look at that. Look at that reflection. protection. Starting to come out really good now. Awesome. But yeah, just got done with the 1200. Could use a little bit more focus in those areas, but it is pretty smooth. It's just a tiny thin coat of clear coat still left, but majority of the hood is pretty much ready to go. I'm about to hit it with the 1500 right now, but I'm gonna hit that with the 1200 a little bit more right now, or maybe even the 1000, and go back up to a 1200. Straight up tweaker status. It's 1:30 in the morning. Making progress though, dude. I'm making progress. Look at this. This is coming out nice. So what they say usually is wet is representative of how it's going to look once it has the clear on it. So if that's true, what everybody says, then so far I'm doing a pretty good job. Look at that. Awesome. All right, I think I'm pretty much done sanding it. Just went over it one more time, fine sanding it. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's really smooth now. Really smooth. It's like glass. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. Get a nice good view. Yeah, looks good. All right, done washing it now. Let it dry, and it's gonna start. It's gonna be ready for that clear now. It's fully dry. You can see I have a tiny bit of clear. I ain't even tripping about that. But yeah, this is what the hood looks like dry. I had a lot of clear coat. Like, I still have a little bit right here, but honestly, I was kind of going in, and I felt like right here, I don't know if you can see it, I was kind of going in almost into the weave, and I did not want to break that and have it start splintering. So, you know, I went as much as I'm going to go in certain areas. It's really smooth, so I'm hoping once I lay the clear on there, it won't be noticed. That's the plan, at least. Yeah, but yeah, just a couple small areas, just really by the front where there was a lot more clear coat, but it just was, yeah, I don't know, I just don't want to go too far in. The rest of it was pretty thin. It came off semi-easy. So that's just how it's gonna go. That's how I'm gonna do it. That's how it's gonna get cleared. We'll see. Yeah, staying nice and good after I leveled it. Hood is basically done. It's all done wet sanding. That was the main part of the job. Sanding it, it's washed. Need to clean it with alcohol, and it'll be ready and prepped for clear coat. You might be saying, why am I putting so much effort into this hood? I'm pretty certain this is an Advan OEM style hood from everything I researched, because it has the sprayer holes cut out. The only other one that's similar is the VIS, but it does not have the holes for the sprayers, so the windshield wiper sprayers. But $200 for the hood, $80 to $100 in supplies. My time a little bit more than I expected, but I'll appreciate it more, I believe, you know. Hood goes for the cheapest I found, $999 plus shipping, another 100, 200 for shipping. That's the cheapest I found it. That's why. All right, got it hanging right here in my garage. Got some cardboard behind it, got some tarp, and on the bottom, yeah, I just have it hanging by some bungees. That's what I'm using. It's a high gloss one. Safety first. This is 24 hours after curing, which is recommended minimum time, or recommended time. Don't want to let it cure too long, because then the clear hardens a lot more with the time, and it makes it harder to wet sand. So you can see there is some orange peel, so it definitely needs some wet sand. I'll probably start off with maybe a 2000 and see how that goes, and then work my way up. See some of the inconsistencies and imperfections. There's pits and stuff right here where it's really worn down. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, finished fine sanding the clear coat. Started off with a 1000 grit, 1200, 15, 2000, and then 3000. So it's completely dry ready. I just finished washing it with the sponge and car wash soap. See, it's a little dull. That's to be expected. I'm gonna hit it with the compound once it dries a little bit more, and then it's gonna get polished, and then I'll bring that shine right back. I'm told not to add any wax for about 60 days, 60 to 90 days, 60 days minimum, I guess, because the clear coat is still, even though it's dry, there's, I guess, it still release microscopic gases and whatever bubbles that still come out that you cannot see with your naked eye. It's like microscopic. So basically, it needs to breathe still for another 2 months or something like that, and then I can seal it with some wax. And then once I add the wax, obviously it'll bring the shine out a little bit more too and protect it. Just got done hitting it with the compound. It really brought some shine out. The polish will do the rest. I don't know how well it's picking it up, but looks pretty good, really good.